Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Telegram payment, full guide. First, open Telegram and go to Settings, then select Payments to begin setup. Tap Add Payment Method and follow prompts to enter card details or choose a supported payment provider. Confirm your billing information and save. Finally, test a small transaction or payment request to ensure everything processes correctly and your receipts appear in chat. Connect your chosen payment provider inside Telegram by following the on-screen setup flow, which securely links accounts. Choose between card processors or regional gateways and enter the merchant ID and API key if required. Review permissions and allow Telegram to handle checkout sessions and receipts. Save settings and run a sandbox or minimal live transaction to verify the integration. Keep credentials private and update them if you rotate API keys or change providers. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: I use the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long setup sessions, and it's super convenient to keep nearby while managing payments. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Set your payment preferences like currency, shipping options, and receipt behavior within the payment section for a smooth buyer experience. Turn on notifications so you and your customers receive instant confirmations for completed transactions. Use two-step verification and keep an eye on payment logs to spot unusual activity early. If you have a refund policy, add it to messages and bot flows to reduce disputes and improve trust with buyers on Telegram.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.